wanaweza wasaidia.
The Kenya High Commission in Mozambique has held its first Jamhuri Day celebrations in Maputo for the international community since it opened 4 years ago. The marking of the day with such a large turnout ensured the visibility of Kenya in Mozambique and positively projects Kenya's image. This has the potential to catalyze interest in trade, tourism and cultural exchanges between Kenya and Mozambique.
These relations date back to pre-colonial times during the voyage of Vasco da Gama in the 13th century, and with a common experience of Portuguese culture in both countries along its coastal areas. Kenya and Mozambique established official relations in 1975. However, numerous cultural interactions took place before then. For example, the migration of the Makonde ethnic group from Mozambique to Kenya in the 1930s. The Makonde now constitute part of the Kenyan citizenry and were officially recognized as the 43rd tribe of Kenya in 2017. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, our diaspora occupies a crucial space within our national framework. The contributions of the diaspora to the development of our country remain an important aspect. The number of Kenyans in Mozambique is estimated to be approximately 2,000 and are to be found in the private sector, particularly in small-scale businesses, hospitality, financial services, agribusiness, education, and engineering.